Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here on another great video presentation with Ordi price prediction for April 2024, a cryptocurrency that has been quite off for the last couple of weeks from the spotlight. It no longer delivered those double digits one after the other, and this is something that is pretty much natural and organic when it comes down to the trends. As soon as a cryptocurrency is part of a category of cryptos that is riding a trend, it is obvious to consider that the trend is also having the downside effect as well as natural behavior. So Ordi cryptocurrency was part of that, and now it's picking volume again and it's trying to dominate with ordinals. Speaking about assets as well, which are moving Ordis, so we're having a great time, and I think today's presentation is going to be helpful to have an understanding on the April's price prediction and possibilities right there on the table. Before we get into the topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. At the same time, I'd like to share with you that this is the crypto total market cap, BTC and Ethereum chart for 4-hour candlesticks. This is how we're looking at this very moment, guys. $722 billion price is how does the crypto market cap looks like as a size. And we're speaking about a situation here of a massive support that is respected on this possible ascending triangle pattern that we have with a 200 days great reaction too. So the whole picture here so far builds on a nice impulse movement that is expected basically to get us back into the resistance for the first try, with a probability right there to break out and continue our rally. Keep that in mind as a useful information that BTC and Ethereum is excluded out of this market cap, so it most likely refers to the other altcoins. Before we continue, we also have our BTC live trade. So for those of you that enjoy trades, we have our Bitcoin trade over here with long on $1.3 million. We have been longing this at $38,000. I'm still holding my trade active and riding it quite well, guys. If you would like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits we make, totally done for you, completely outsourced. With trading permission, we can execute the trades on API trading, and that is how it works. We also have the one-on-one coaching program for anyone that is serious about this business and would like to dive into seriously in terms of full-time or part-time cryptocurrency, day trading, swing trading, and all the avenues possible in terms of taking this thing seriously for going into the financial freedom movement. Now, the Ordi cryptocurrency daily charts are looking in the following way, guys. We're respecting here a line which is extremely important for us. This is the line that is the structure uptrending support line. The structure uptrending support line is working basically with a possibility of creating a uptrending ascending movement into a triangle as well, with a zone at the top. The zone at the top is established at this levels, which means between $83 up to $87, and this is a situation that also brought us the all-time high into a $97 market movement. At that point, we've crashed afterwards quite aggressively. We had a strong dip of 43%. So right now Ordi comes after a retracement of 43%, which is why there is a category of people that are missing the confidence into trading with this one and dealing with it. They're gonna participate again when we're gonna be in the highs. At this level, not many people enjoy dealing with cryptocurrencies that are having such decreases, and that's totally wrong. The idea of such perspective is to get into after decreases and make sure you position yourself in advantage towards the market. So we're getting basically sufficient support here in terms of how those we have reacted so far in the last couple of 3 days in order to consider that there's a confirmation here of the support trending line, and the possibility as this trending line continues, including the top continues to create a flat top and an uptrending support line of the trend, which is going to be an ascending triangle, just like the total market cap sits. The same picture is over here as well with this Ordi in a different phase of the market. What do we target for April? Well, the first target is going to be the encircled area. That's why I've encircled right there, which means anywhere between $84 up to $88 will be our first target for April. If we just pull back into the golden pocket and we successfully confirm that below us, which means we must be above with the price, then we're actually speaking about a new all-time high possibility, which means you gotta confirm somehow above 77. It is really impossible for such volatile cryptocurrency to explain the route the confirmation will appear. There's so many variables out there. There could be so strong fake outs, even down to $72, even down to 70s. You can fake out and still have a movement afterwards on confirming above the golden pocket. So it's very interesting that when you speak about this cryptocurrencies, the ability to portray exact reactions and exact tops, exact lows is becoming lower and lower in terms of accuracy. Why is it so? We're talking about cryptocurrencies that are having not difficulties but challenges when it comes down to order book placements and volumes, and this is most likely also correlated with a lot of the bot trading going around the market and speculations as well. So we're actually talking about a space that cannot be other than highly volatile for such cryptos. When you refer to BTC and Ethereum, the probability rate of the movements and the accuracy is increasing very, very high. But in this case scenarios, you're trying to play with broad movements, right? So at the top, you have that one, at the lows, you have this one, and something in the middle that is basically quite strong here is as well the zone of 65, 67 that you're dealing with, or demand. You know, it's a situation here that you definitely got to confirm above 77, right? That's the level. Push to the 77, break out of it, get back to it, confirm above at least twice. And then once you do this, you'll have the ability to speak about the all-time high. Other than that, you're just going to have a risk of a triple top appearance between 84 and 97. Right? So you definitely need to come back to 77, retest that, and make sure you confirm yourselves above that in order to speak about huge numbers on board. This is how we're looking like. Today, Ordi looks great, and we're looking for seeing a continuation of this movement. There could be another $10, $15 print in the dailies, and this is something that could take the price quite quickly into the golden pocket. So in a nutshell, Ordi sits in a very, very good shape, guys, at the moment. In a very, very good shape, guys, to revisit the supply level at the top. That's something that everyone must know. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. We have reached the end of it. That's the target basically for April, between $84 up to $88. And this is the supply zone that is heavily filled up with resistance, as you can see in the past activity on the market. Beautiful. Talk to you soon, guys. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and at the same time, if you care about your education, if you think that investing in your education, time and resources is something that is valuable in order to go for financial freedom and hunt it, then it's time to look for this one-on-one coaching program directly with me live, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Check out a video which explains how does it work, and register now for a free call with me, guys. Talk to you soon.